Working at a condo obviously involves a lot of attention to detail, such as scheduling. You gotta manage the trade.
We just completed a condo renovation here. This bathroom's a complete renovation, total gut and redo. Brand new tile, vanity, new tub deck, countertop, new sink, faucets, shower, new tiles everywhere, new toilet, beautiful in-floor heating.
I've had a lot of experience with a lot of different contractors. I really found that the entire experience of working with Sean and all of his crew was amazing. They were very attentive. They literally enclosed my house in plastic. I know a lot of contractors will actually refuse to work in condominium buildings because it's very difficult, and they managed to actually do it all. I would definitely use them again.